how to fix Windows Calendar not opening. So if your Windows Calendar keeps crashing, then you've come to the right place. The first solution is a 3-step process. For the first one, we're going to reset the date. You want to go to the start icon and look for the control panel. Here you want to head to clock and region. Now select the option of region. Then on this tab right at the bottom, you'll see additional settings. There are a lot of tabs on the top. You want to go to date. Now go ahead and reset. Moving on, you want to head to your Windows setting. Then go to apps. In the search bar, you want to look for mail and calendar. Once you click on it, you have to go to advanced options. Now scroll down until you see the reset option. Go ahead and reset the app's data. After that is done, we're going to check if the calendar app is up to date. For that, head to the Microsoft Store. Once you are here, click on Library, that is on the bottom left corner of the tab, and you have to select Get Updates. If your calendar app requires to be updated, then it is going to appear right here. Now check if the problem has been fixed. However, if that did not do it for you, then I do have another solution. You want to go to the taskbar and do a right click. Now head to taskbar settings. Make sure that the hide the taskbar in desktop mode and in tablet mode is disabled. Now you want to scroll down, and under notification area you can see turn system icons on or off. You want to head here and turn off the toggle for clock. Once that is done, go ahead and restart your computer or PC, and when you are back, go ahead and turn the toggle back on. That should now fix your calendar app not opening. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.